Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can disable and uninstall extensions and add-ons in the Zen browser in 2026. So let us dive into this, guys. So you will need to navigate to the add-ons manager on Zen browser. To do that, click into these three dots in the top left corner of the left sidebar. Here, navigate to settings. Inside your browser settings, navigate to extensions and themes. Here you see all extensions that are currently installed. Make sure that you're in the extensions tab to the left. So to disable it, switch it off here. And if you'd like to remove it, click into this button. You may report it or remove it. Click into this. And after that, confirm by clicking to remove or press enter on your keyboard. And then the given extension will be removed. You can also undo this. And also let me remove the tab here or close the tab for the given extension I installed for demonstration purposes for another tutorial, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.